Yo, what's good? What's happening? It's your boy Dom. I'm back with another video for you guys today. So you've been thinking about becoming a full-time six-figure Forex funded trader? Well, you come to the right video because today I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you could become a six-figure funded trader. Before we do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe below, and let's get straight into the video. So, number one, the first thing you need to do is learn how to trade. Now, learn how to trade, that's kind of like a shotgun answer right now. So what I'm going to tell you is, or what I would recommend, definitely focus in on smart money concepts. Okay, you want to focus on smart money concepts, institutional trading, learn how the banks trade. Okay, that's going to put you ahead of the curve, especially if you're brand new in your journey. The retail concepts, totally cool if that's the route you want to go. I'm not a hater on any type of strategy, but all I will say is from my personal recommendation, if you learn smart money up front, man, you'll be so far ahead of the game. And the best person I think you could learn that from is my mentor, Mr. Inner Circle Trader himself. So definitely check him out. I'll put a link in the bio so you can check his stuff out. If not, if you got somebody else, perfectly fine. Definitely just focus on that one strategy that you've learned and go all in on that. That's it. Just go all in just on that one strategy, that one simple system, and you'll be a lot further ahead. Don't jump around from oh man, I'm gonna learn this strategy here, I'm gonna go to this info person here. Like, man, scratch all that. Learn one strategy, master that, and go for it. That segues me into the second one. Number two, you want to definitely practice, man. You want to practice, and you practice. Me personally, it's all based off your personality. But for me, what works really well for me, or what had worked well for me on my journey, is practicing on demo. And so a little bit of mixture of forward testing, back testing, a little bit of mix of both, and just go all in, man. Just be consistent every single day. Trade. Set a goal for yourself. Let's just say, like, in the month of June or the month of July, I'm gonna go out and try to get 100 trades in. Win, lose, or draw, like 100 trades. And that all that's gonna do is just gonna speed up progress. And there's a good quote by Elon Musk. I'm gonna find it. I'll probably put it here. It's like, figure out a way to speed up the process. So figure out how to do it. I'll put the exact quote, man. But definitely the only way you're gonna get experience is through actual application, actual trading every single day. And then when the markets are closed, make sure you're back testing and everything like that on the weekends, and just devote your life to it, man. Get committed to it, and work the cobwebs out. Next, the third thing that you're gonna want to do, get funded. And that's probably one of the best ways for you to get in, especially if you got little to no money, or you're just trying to make ends meet. Definitely get a funded account. There's a bunch of prop firms out here that'll get you funded up to $100,000, some even up to $2 million. I'll do another video to give you like a list of the different prop firms that you could actually join. But you definitely want to get funded, man. It'll definitely that's another thing you're leveraging, because Forex is all about a leverage play. So if you got a company, a prop firm that's willing to give you six figures or a six-figure account to trade on their behalf, to take a little bit of the profit share, man, that's like a win-win situation. So definitely those are the three things. So that's all. I don't want to take too much of your time. Make sure you like, comment below, comment that you subscribe below. Also drop your Cash App, man, because I'm gonna just do a couple giveaways at random, and then make sure that you share this video with all your friends and stuff like that, man. And we'll be back for another one. All right, peace.